Hello everybody, this is a pack opening with Ethan, Henry. First pack. Oh, Pele! Pele! Oh my god, it's Pele! Pele! We got Pele!
I can't get Pele.
Ooh. Yeah, we got 21k. Hey, you're level 19. Then later on we're doing a pack up here at Xbox One at Danny's house. Oh my god! He's crap.
Got Aguero, didn't we?
Yep. Aguero! I'm trying to open my lolly. I'll video him. Oh, Falcao! Oh my god, Willian! That's actually a good pack, that, isn't it? It's an alright pack, that, Willian.
Alright.
I can't get me.
I've got neuer.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I didn't even see that! Neuer!
Bloody hell.
Neuer and Willian, are you? Come on.
Which one? 99 contracts or 7 contracts?
99.
Bloody hell.
Oh, that's good, Willian and Neuer in the same pack. I didn't even know. So that's 60k you've got there, isn't it? Could sell him.
You fat bastard.
Yeah.
Last part that.
What?
Not last part.
No, that was last pack, guys. See, that's alright now, yeah.
And William.
What?
And William.
Yeah.
Made me money back.
40k, you got about 100k back.
Previously. I don't know.
Yep.
You didn't really sell 69k.
Eh? Finally, I got my lolly. So yeah, guys, that's the video for today. See you in the next video. Bye.